Hello, welcome to 6.1 day 3. We're going to identify functions from graphs. Again, no steps. For vocab, again, keep in mind about that vending machine. We want to make sure it is a working vending machine that every button only gives us one snack or soda. So here's my first example. So when we talk about graphs and functions, we talk about the vertical line test. Now, unfortunately, I do not have a line here. But imagine my cursor being a small line. So the very edge of my cursor, if my cursor ever hits like 2 dots at once, then it's not a function. So up and down, each one of these lines, you see these lines? Let me get, these draw, I guess. So if I draw a line up like this, up like this, up like this, you see these lines? So we are looking at the x's. Do you see how the purple lines are coming up from the x axis? So we're looking at the x's like we've been doing in the last 2 days. We only look at the x's. If the x's have 2 the same, then it's not a function. So look at, is there any blue dots that have 2 on top of each other? Now, I don't mean side by side. These ones don't count. Right in the middle, these don't count. Side by side. I see these ones, and I see these ones. So if you had a ruler, or you had a piece of paper, or a pencil, if you had something, you could take your, can I get my cursor back? There we go. So you see like my cursor hits twice, hits both those dots at the same time. That means it's not a function. Another analogy I can see if it'll help you. Imagine you're playing Tetris and all these dots fall down to the bottom. Will there be any lines that have 2 dots stacked on top of each other? Yes, there will. There will be this pair and this pair. So that means it is not a function. Okay, what about this one? Imagine all these dots falling to the ground. All these dots fall to the ground. Do any of them stack on top of each other? These would, right? If they fell straight down, they would be right on top of each other, and these fell down, they'd be on top of each other. That means this is not a function. What about this one? Some kids get confused with one. Is this a function or not a function? If all these dots fell straight down, would any of them be on top of each other? No. Some kids get confused with these, and they're right next to each other going the other way, but that's okay. As long as if they fall down and there's nothing on top of one another, then it is a function. So this one is, this one is a function. Let's see, last one. Is this one a function or not a function? Do any dots stack on top of each other if they fell straight down? No, 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 no. So this is a function. Let me know if you have any questions.